There's that bee. Okay, I'm just gonna try not to move too fast. Is he on me? Hi guys, welcome to the first Yoga Among Plants session. I'm glad to have you with me. Today we're going to be doing yoga among my beautiful elephant ears, and I have a really awesome jade back here. If you'd like to see the plants a little bit more up close, just you know, maybe you want to do the flow, maybe not, maybe just want to skip forward to the end of the video so you can see the close-up of the plants. Whatever you want to do, you're welcome. But thank you for joining me again for this little flow, and let's get started. So just for a moment, we'll sit quietly and close our eyes. You can let your hands fall where they want to. If you're feeling a little bit uncomfortable to sit with a long spine, you can take a pillow and elevate your seat a little bit. You can allow your legs to be in easy pose, one on top of the other. You can allow those feet to join, or even let your feet come out wide, whatever is comfortable for you. All we're trying to do is find that nice long spine. So just closing the eyes for a moment and taking a few deep breaths. And when we're feeling ready, we can gently begin to move. We'll start to inhale our arms into the sky. And if you like to, you can keep your eyes closed or you can open them. It's up to you. Then we're exhaling, sinking down towards the earth, rounding the spine. Inhale, reach up to the sky. And exhale, coming down towards the earth. Inhaling up. And exhaling down. And just moving to your own breath and to your own pace. We're allowing the spine to become nice and long. And then we're coming down towards the ground, rounding down. Inhale it up. Exhaling down. With the next inhalation, let's come up to the sky and we'll find a twist with that next exhale. Doesn't matter which way you go. One arm goes across to the opposite leg, one arm behind you. Inhale it up. Exhale in your twist. Inhale it up. Exhale in your twist. And we're trying to keep our spines as long as possible when we're going into our twist. I know sometimes we can obsess over seeing behind us, but that's not important. What's important is to find that nice long spine and just allow it to take you as deep in your twist as it wants to. In time, we'll be able to go a little bit deeper and maybe even see all the way behind us. Inhaling up and exhaling, twist. Back to the sky. And exhale and twist. On this last one, let's just hold the twist for a moment. Nice long spines. You can even close your eyes here. And relax. Allow those thoughts to slip away. If anything has wandered into your mind, just let it slide off the mat. On our next inhale, we're going to reach up, taking the twist to the other side. Nice long spine. Try not to look down. Keep that chin nice and level to the earth. And keep that breath flowing. When we're ready, we're coming back to center. Inhale it up. And one arm down, reach up and over, stretch your side body here. Inhale through your center and over to the other side. Inhaling through center, exhale and reach. And just moving to your own pace and to your own breath. And just one last one. And from here, we'll reach into the sky. And exhale, bring those arms down. Beautiful. We're just gonna roll those shoulders a little bit. Awesome. Awesome. And then let's pull the shoulders up to the ears and just kind of make yourself little and tiny. And when you're ready, just exhale and release it all. Maybe just one more time. Becoming little and tiny, squeeze those shoulders up to the ears. And when you're ready, just let it all go. Shake out those hands, shake out the fingers. Anything that's weighing on your shoulders, just shake it off the fingertips. And from here, we're going to flip over onto our mats and just take a little sun salutation. We're going to start off in our tabletop, tucking the toes under and coming up to that downward dog, heads hanging down towards the ground. Our spines are nice and long. If you need to, you can bend your knees a little bit. If you're finding yourself rounding your spine too much like this, it might be because you're locking those knees. So just bend the knees a little, press your belly and heart towards your legs. Let your head hang, let those shoulder blades come down. And you can even walk those feet a little bit if you like. Press those heels into the earth, and don't worry yourself if they're not ready to touch down yet, because sometimes we obsess over touching down the heels, we lock the knees, and then the spine rounds. We want to avoid it. Keep those knees soft, keep that spine long. Let your head just hang. Awesome. When you're feeling ready, we're going to press it forward and become a plank. Our shoulders over the hands. We can have the knees up or knees down. Those elbows are nice and soft. Take a nice inhalation here with your exhale. Sinking down, elbows hug the ribs. Scoop up like a cobra. Pressing back through your child's or straight into your downward dog. Tails up to the sky. From here, right leg into the sky, reach up high. We're gonna step it forward and drop that left knee on the earth. You can wiggle it back a little if you need to align your knee with your ankle. And from here, we rise up, nice inhalation, up towards the sky and coming back down, hands on the earth, right foot with the left. Become a plank once again, knees up or down, it's up to you. And then we're sinking down, scooping up, pressing back. Tuck those toes under, tails up towards the sky for that downward dog. You can walk the feet out for a moment if you like, and then we'll press those heels down, lift the left leg into the sky, reach up high, shift forward, step the foot forward, right knee on the ground. Again, if you find yourself with your knee going beyond those toes, just move your back knee a little bit further back until your front knee lines up with that ankle. When we're ready, we're inhaling up to the sky, reach up high, and exhale, coming down to the earth, left leg with the right. Press forward and become a plank, shoulders over hands. Again, knees up or down, it's up to you. Try not to let those bellies hang. Tuck up those belly buttons up to the spine. Tuck those tails under. Nice long line in your plank. And when you're ready, we're sinking down, scooping up, and pressing back. Relax in your child's pose for a moment. Taking a few breaths. And when we're feeling ready, we gently bring those hands closer to us. We start to rise up. We'll let those feet come out from underneath us. And we're gonna find ourselves coming all the way down, 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 down towards the mat. and just allow yourself to rest onto your mat. If you have any lower back issues, feel free to keep your knees bent so you can relax your lower back and decompress it a little bit more. You can even allow the feet to separate and let your knees come together. Or if you don't have any lower back issues, just allow your legs to come all the way down onto your mat. Allow those arms to relax next to your body, and we'll begin to relax into our Shavasana, our final relaxation, that corpse pose. We start to close the eyes, relax the eyelids and the eyebrows. Relax your forehead and your scalp. And relax your ears, your cheeks, your jaw, your lips, and your tongue. Just relax. Pull your shoulders down and away from your ears. The arms are just relaxed alongside your body, or you can even choose to place your palms onto your belly. Whatever is comfortable for you. Just allow those arms to fall where they want to. We can have palms open to the sky for a little extra cosmic energy today, or palms flipped onto the earth so you can feel a bit more grounded. We'll continue to scan the body, noticing the belly rise and fall. Relaxing your pelvis into the earth. Your thighs relax, your knees, your calves. Relax your ankles, relax the arches of your feet, and even your little toes. Just relax. Sinking deeper and deeper into your mat, feeling more and more relaxed with each breath. If you notice any thoughts wandering back to your mind, just let them pass you by as if they're clouds in the sky. And when you're feeling ready, you can begin to wiggle your toes and wiggle your fingers. You can gently turn your head from left to right, massaging your scalp. And when you're feeling ready, begin to pull those knees into your heart, allowing your lower back to meet with the earth, gently rolling from left to right for another little back massage. And when you're feeling ready to come up, you can roll over to your right side, or you can rock and roll up, whatever feels comfortable for you. And you'll just come up to any comfortable seated place, just like in the beginning. If you like to, you can join me for a few more moments of stillness, just sitting up nice and tall. Again, you can put a little cushion underneath your bun if you'd like a little more comfort. Relax those shoulders, let the spine be nice and long, allowing the energy to flow through your body. We want to close our eyes and relax that face. Let those arms, those hands fall where they want to. And just take a few breaths. And when you're feeling ready, if you like to, you can join your hands together in front of your heart center for Namaste. Thank you for joining me. Hey guys, so here is that beautiful jade that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Oop. I just received it. It was my baby's great grandmother's jade. Unfortunately, she just passed away recently, and we got to inherit this beautiful plant. It was really laggy and was missing. There was lots of space between the leaves, so I gave it a nice chop, and as you can see already, it has new growth. It's totally awesome. I'm so stoked. So I can't wait to see what it turns into. And if you want a little bit more info on it and how I did the trim and the repot and what it looked like before, I have a video on that will link somewhere. But yeah, this is currently my favorite jade of all of the jades that I have collected. This is a little closer look at these beautiful elephant ears. They're still pretty small because I just recently got the bulbs from my neighbor's landlord. He was gonna just throw them out, and she said, hey, I know someone that might want those. So I went to pick them up, and he said nothing is gonna happen, I don't think, or maybe they'll be small. But you know, I still think they're really cute. What I love most about these is that the new leaves, I don't know if you can see, but the new leaves come out of the stems of the old leaves, and they're just like these little teeny tiny curled up things, and they just unfurl, and they're so beautiful. I don't know if you can see this one. I'm gonna spin this pot. Can you zoom in on that? They're just like so beautiful. So yeah, I really enjoy them. I wonder if they're gonna live through the winter or what's gonna happen. If you know anything about them, drop me a comment. So thanks again for practicing with me, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you're feeling good. I hope all your plants are growing beautifully, and you're just having the most wonderful day. Thank you again. Namaste.